know I came through. You know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through. You know I came through with the fuego. You know I came through. Hey, you know I came through.
You're about to fall off! Oh, never mind.
Get up, hurry! It's getting away, we have to catch it!
It's getting away! No! Not the luggage!
Let's get the tiny toolbox! Hang in there, tool buddy!
Can I just shoot it?
Oh, this may take Huh. It's raining.
I'm guessing this is another
balls.
boss fight and I just died. Okay, so this is another boss fight.
I got nails in my... Oh, I just got pulled.
I thought we're so bad at this game.
Alright,
And then we go up here. Speed it up, Matthew.
Look at him stuck. I'm so... Ow.
There's no time to waste. I'll fire back.
I don't think that works very well. I think
I'm firing back. I'm in full-out warfare.
Yeah, no, that's not doing anything.
Oh, I died.
This...
Hey, note to self. Oh, okay. Oh, what? I tripped. Hold up, give me 1 sec.
Oh, God. I'm dead. I'm dead. You need to survive for a bit.
Don't worry. Batty, speed up, Batty, speed up, Batty. Okay, run. Come on, you! Get it out, Matthew!
Oh! I'm so dead. Oh, I'm getting so close.
At this point.
There's like a nail in my chest. There's coming out of my head.
Wormies, fly!
Oh, damn! I think you're supposed to hit it with a nail, Logan, because there's no way I'm making this jump.
You're jumping way too early.
Alright, fine. Let's do this. You know, that was...
I didn't have it.
Oh, God. Oh, I'm feeling a bit of pain now. I'm so dead. I'm dead on the ground. Just leave me. Alright, let's try to do this game. Oh my god. Oh my god. Yo! Oh, ow. Ow, that hurt.
She made fun of me.
just come here.
Okay, and then. No, listen, pretty one of the levels that can't be, just like how you can't cross a single bridge. Okay, and then,
No,
and
that
then
nail
bam.
one was way harder than the bridge. Come on, Logan. Yeah! I wasn't paying attention and I got hit very hard.
I jumped in the way of the nail. Thank you so much, hammer that, Matthew. Oh! I perished. No! Please say we don't have to restart the entire level. I swear we have to restart. It's so mean. Okay. I mean, we could let your friends die. No one's telling us that we have to keep your friends.
Ow.
Matthew! Oh, I got shot in
destroyed.
midair. I don't like. Okay, yes, we finally made it. Hold up, I just thrown it from Matthew. Keep
Do you
hammering.
Xbox play? Ow!
Matthew!
Ow!
Don't die, Matthew! Ah!
Come on, Logan! Come on, Logan! Come on, Logan! Hit it!
Okay. And then.
Oh crap! Oh crap!
No, don't die! Okay.
I really hate these nail things.
Party.
I think because I hit this
Literally.
place, I
I hate this place. Why is our house so dangerous?
yeah, there's a toolbox that shoots nails everywhere, and there's a
Go,
vacuum
go,
cleaner
go,
that
go.
decides to be nuclear.
You're supposed to hammer the end, Matthew.
Come on.
Wait. Yeah! Oh!
Holy. He does not look very happy.
Oh! Oh!
Bro!
Right?
Oh!
X
Okay.
game mode?
Okay, buddy, that's fair. That's so fair.
This is. Hi,
Oh
Toolbox.
my god! Oh my god. Oh!
What is happening? I hate this.
What are we supposed to do? Oh, you need to. Yeah, what are we
Nail
supposed
his
to do?
arm. I think I'm supposed to nail his arm
Yeah,
shut.
the yellow thing.
And bam.
Now get me to the other side.
Up and then Matthew. Hammer across. Matthew, hammer. Go Matthew, go Matthew, go Matthew, go Matthew.
Oh my god.
We're gonna crack you open.
I'm hammering.
Yeah!
I'm hammering.
Nice backflip.
Oh,
Oh.
bruh. You really had to do me like that. Whoa.
Oh no, he's really grabbed.
Whoa! Okay, buddy, you've gone too far. You've gone too far.
Okay, there's no need to bring a gun out. Why do we have to possess toolboxes and vacuum cleaners?
There's so many things.
Oh, what the heck is it? Oh.
Yo, this is torture.
Go
Yep, there I go. Logan, come on. Come on, Logan. Come on, Logan. Stay alive, stay alive.
I hate.
Hey, watch out for the wacky whack. Oh, maybe I should have.
Go, Matthew.
Hold on tight.
What? No, his arm blocked.
Oh,
You're
what?
kidding me. You're kidding me.
Arm
Literally
He's bringing
blocked
out the
me.
gun again.
I think he's bringing out the gun again.
He brought out the gun again.
Holy crap. Oh, crap. Holy crap. Holy crap. Holy crap.
The gun- oh my god. Ow.
Ouch.
Oh, I got impaled by a nail.
Oh,
Go,
God.
Okay,
Watch
Matthew,
out.
you can see this time. Ah!
Yep, I'm ready. I'm ready.
Matthew.
Come on. Stupid lock. Stupid lock. Nobody loves you. Oh, there. This is
Oh.
not. Hey, bro. You handy.
Oh, sick
Oh,
move.
oh.
You're not
Handy
even
play.
holding onto it. What? What?
What is happening?
Since when did you? Since when did you learn those moves?
Yeah, bro, I know how to fly.
Oh. It's gonna use a spatula against us.
Oh god. What is he doing? Oh, I think he's gonna whack. Oh! Oh, it's a weed whacker! Weed whacker!
Okay, wait, I think I'm supposed to shoot it when he stabs. If he stabs.
Yeah, probably. Oh, damn. Yo, we aren't flies. We aren't flies.
No! I don't like this game, it's so scary. Okay, stab the wood, please.
No, look at you!
Oh, hammer it.
Oh god.
Oh no, he's got the weed whacker.
Weed whacker's coming back.
I think you're supposed to hammer it.
Yeah, possibly. Oh, damn. I'm just gonna
I
hide in the
forgot that he
corner
smashes his hand against the ground. Pew! Pew!
No way.
Oh, yeah, I keep forgetting. Oh, I fell in the hole.
Unfortunately.
Oh.
He's trying to smack dead corpses. Oh, I fell off! No!
Speed it up! Woo! Oh, X Games mode. Oh, and the nails, come on.
The
Oh, that's a
nails
little
come
overkill.
back. Yay.
This is mega overkill! Oh, he's getting saws out?
Okay,
how's
that's
that fair?
fair. That is so fair.
Come on, buddy. You're cheating at this
Oh!
point. Come on, buddy. You're at least you're so cheating. This is
This is not
uncalled
fair.
for.
This is not fair. I'm sorry.
Oh, this is so uncalled
There's no
for.
piece of wood left. Say
We
what?
can talk.
Oh god, the weed whacker. The weed whacker.
We can talk about the.
Why are you
Give me
so
slack.
grumpy? Okay, get on the spoon.
Ah!
Oh damn.
Hey,
Come on, Logan. Come on, Logan. No.
no! Please, not more saws. Come on, that's uncalled for.
Okay, buddy. He's spitting saws out of his mouth. This game is.
Oh!
That was kind of perfect timing. I mean.
Ooh, please, please. Ah! Okay, speed up, speed up, speed up. Okay, now he's gonna put his hand down.
That's so lame.
Okay. Bah! Bah! Ah!
Oh my god, if he spits one more saw, we're dead.
Please don't. Ah!
Oh god.
No! No! Please! Okay,
Oh,
buddy,
I
there's
fell.
no need for
Come on,
the
Logan,
saw.
I fell.
Okay, buddy, there's no need for this. Calm down. It's just a game.
Oh.
Please, chill.
This is definitely more than a game. This is revenge. Yo, his spatula got burnt somehow.
I'm at
Oh,
you.
I walked straight into that one.
Okay,
Wow, trying to stand here. You're such a nerd.
okay. Aim button again.
Come on.
Pew!
Come on. Come on.
Yeah! Really bad. Oh,
I don't think he likes us exploding him. Hey, there we go.
that's-
There we go.
There we go. That was a great game. 10 out of 10. Recommend playing it if you haven't played it. Free. Yeah. I recommend buying the version of the game. It's very, very good. And bye.